Next, decimals and fractions. In that, fractions we completed. Next topic is decimals. Okay, so we'll see in decimals how to write a number system. See, like this, Indian system and international system of numeration we know to write, isn't it? So like that, suppose if I give decimal number, for example, I'll write here 289. Okay, this is a decimal number. Here decimal number is given. So how to read? 48.289. Okay, so here 9 is in the which place? After decimal point. See, this is a decimal point. So after decimal point, here numbers are 2, 8 and 9. So before decimal point, 8 is in which place? That we know, this is a ones place. Okay, 8 is in ones place or unit place, and 4 is in tens place. 4 is in a tens place. And next, if I consider one more number here, 1 is in 100 place, and one more number I will write, that is 5 is in 1000 place. Okay, after decimal number, see, after decimal point 289 is there, no? So 2 is in tenths place, and 8 is in hundredths place, and 9 is in thousandths place. Okay, here I wrote the numbers like this. See, table, first one ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, it continues like this. But in another side I wrote tens. Tens means 1 by 10. 1 by 10 answer is 0.1. Okay, if you divide, this is 1 by 10 is a fraction, right? 1 by 10 is fraction. That how we can write in decimal? 0.1. 0.1. How we will get 0.1? So 1 by 10, 0.1. So 10 in the denominator, so that is a divisor, and 1 is a dividend. So now you have to divide 1 by 10. Okay, you have to divide 1 by 10. So now 10, how much of 1? Is it possible? Can you divide 1 from 10? 1 by 10 cannot. So then you have to take a point, decimal point. This 0 you can write. Then you have to put decimal point. If you put decimal point, then you can take a 0. Okay, if I take 0, then this will become 10. Understood? 10 will not divide 1, so we can divide by decimal number like 0 point. If I take pointer, you can take extra 0. Extra 0 we can take. Now 10, how much are 10? 10 ones are 10. 10 ones are 10. So remainder is a 0. So 1 by 10, the answer is 0.1. Okay. So this is in fraction we can get a decimal number. Fraction we can divide and we'll get a decimal number. Okay. Like that we can write 0.1 means, that is what? I'll write 1 by 10 can be written as 0.1. So like that 1 by 100. If I write 1 by 100, 1 by 100, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Here 1 0. 1 0 means after decimal point we'll get only 1 digit. Okay. So here 1 by 100, here denominator is having 2 zeros. So this can be written as a 0.01. 0.01. So next we can write 1 by 1000. If I write 1 by 1000, that is 0.001. Okay. This is 1 by 1000 means it having 3 zeros. So after decimal point we will get 3 digits. It may be any number. For example, if I consider 23 by 1000, this can be written as 0. How many zeros are there in the denominator? There are 3 zeros in the denominator. 3 zeros. So after decimal point also you must get 3 digits. So already in the numerator 2 digits are there. So you can write one extra 0. So now it becomes 0.023. 0.023. Understood? This extra zeros you must write. So suppose if the number is 2 by 100. 2 by 100. The denominator is having 2 zeros. So we can write this as 0.01. 0.02 because say 2 is there in the numerator, that you must write. Then after decimal point we must get 2 digits, so that means 0.02. Clear? So suppose if the number is like 123 divided by 10, okay, 123 divided by 10. So here this is what fraction we can write in decimal, like after decimal point you must get a 1 digit. Why 1 digit? Because in the denominator is having 10, okay, 10, denominator here having 10, so after decimal point should get 1 digit. So 12.3, 123 by 10, 12.3. Suppose if I give 123 by 100, 123 by 100 means the decimal point will get after decimal point we must get 2 digits, so can be written as 1.23, 1.23. Clear? So this is a writing fraction in decimal. Fraction we can write as decimal. Okay. Now here in the exercise sum, so some figures are given. See, write the following numbers. Write the following numbers. Write the following as numbers in the given table. Okay, the figures are given, but here they mention tens. These figures are representing tens, and this is what ones, and this is tens. Tens means 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means that is 0.1. After ones, after 1, next table, next column is tens. Tens means 1 by 10. Hundreds means 1 by 100. Okay, the decimal representation, decimal numbers. It continues. If you want, you can write here thousands. That is 1 by 1000. Okay, here is a 1 by 1000. Clear? So next, say suppose if number is given 148.289. 5148.289 is example. So how to write in this table? So say here decimal point is here. So before decimal point the number is 8. 8 means that is in unit place, ones place. Okay. Next after 8, next one more number, that is 4. 4 in the tens place, and 1 is in the 100 place, and 5 is in the 1000 place. 5148. Okay, 148. After decimal point means after ones place, the next number 1 by 10. 1 by 10 because this is in the tens place. Okay, this is tens place means 2 by 10. 2 by 10. 2 by 10 means you can write, if you want directly you can write a 0.2. So after decimal point, here you can write 0. So 0.2. Next, this is in 100 place. So 0.08. 0.08. Next 0.09. So it continues like that. Okay. That is the thousands place, or directly we can write this is in a tens place 2, and this is 2 by 10, and this is 8 by 100, and this is in thousands place, so 9 by 1000. Clear? So this is a decimal number in a number system. Clear? So like that here in exercise sums they given some figures. 3 figures are same, and this is ones place, and these 2 are in a tens place. So now you have to fill the column. So here table is given. First column is hundreds, tens, ones, and last is a tenths place means 1 by 10. 1 by 10. So that you must identify the given first 3 figure is in tens. Tens means how many figures are there? Only 3 figures. So tens means here you can write a 3. How many figures are there? 3. In the next figure, ones. How many ones are there? Only 1. So we can write in this place. Okay, 1. Next tens 1 by 10. Tens means the 1 by 10. So how many? 2 figures are given. So we can write here 2. Okay, 2 figures. So next, here hundreds figure is not given, so that is 0. Okay, now next figure B. In this, how many columns, more columns are there? Like that 100 columns are there. How many 100 is there? Only 1. So this full they considered one figure. Okay, one figure. In that they mentioned this is hundreds, only 100s. How many tens are there? Only 1 tens. And how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Okay. Now we can write B. Hundreds only 1 and tens also only 1. Next, there is no unit place, 0, and tens are given 1 by 10. How many? 4. So we can write a 4. Just you have to represent the how many tens are given, how many ones are given, and how many tens are given. So that means figures. Just count the figure 1, 2, 3. This is the tens and ones, and this is the tens, means 1 by 10. Okay. After decimal point we will get tens. Next hundreds. Next thousands. Okay. Like that. So here the hundreds only one figure, and tens only one figure, and tenths only 4 figures. There is no unit value. Clear? Yes. So this is a writing. Write the following as number. You have to write the following as number in the given table. In the table you must write it as a number. Given figure you must write in number. Clear? Yes. This table you must know. It is given in the question. Okay. Then again you have to write hundreds, tens, ones, tenths. If next number is hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 1 by 10,000, like that. Here it is increasing, value is increasing, that value is decreasing. Clear? Yes. Okay, the next question, second one. See, write the following decimals in place value table. So just given decimal numbers you must write in place value. Okay. The first one, see, 19.4, second one 0.3, 10.6 and 205.9. So these numbers we must write in place value table. Okay. So here first you can write 2, 3, 4, 5. So here if I write ones here, ones place, ones means 1, and next here I can write tens, that means 10, and here it is hundreds. Hundreds, and here thousands. Thousands. Okay. Next, after ones we can write 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means that is a tenths place. Tenths. Okay. Next here I can write hundreds. Hundreds means 1 by 100. 1 by 100. Okay. Here now the first one, write the following decimal in place value table. This is a place value table. You can continue like this, thousands, 10,000s, like that. Okay, the values are decreasing. This side values are increasing, like ones, next tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. But the values are very small numbers, so this much is enough. Okay, suppose if it is given 1000, 10,000, then you have to write in the next column. You have to write 10,000, lakh, like that. Okay. So 19.4, here decimal point is given. So after decimal point, the one digit, that is 4. 4 is in which place? 9 is in ones place, unit place. 9 is in unit place, and 1 is in tens place. 1 is in tens place. This is the first one answer, and second one also you can write here. Okay. First one answer 19.5. 9 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place, and after decimal point is there, no point next 4. So we can write a tens 1 4. Okay, tens 1 by 10 place is 4. Next B 0.3. 0.3. Here there is no 1000, 100 or tens. 0 before decimal point the value is 0. 0 is in which place? Ones place, and 0.3. 0.3. So 3 by 10. So 3 is in tens place. After decimal point the value is tens. 1 by 10 means here 3. 3 by 10. 3 by 10 means 0.3. Okay. Is there 100 place? 100th place? No. Like that you can write C. C is C and D. Now C, that is 10.6. 10.6. So 0 is in unit place, means ones place, and 1 is in tens place. So after decimal point the value is 6. So we can write 6 here, and there is no hundreds place. So that is a 0 0 0. So here also 205.9. 205.9. 5 is in ones place. 5 is in ones place, and 0 in tens place, and 5 in 100 place. 0.9. 9 is in tens place. Okay. Here there is no value. 205, right? So 2 is in 100 place, and there is no 1000, and there is no hundreds place. So you can write a 0. So this is the given decimal number we wrote in place value table. Clear? So this is a place value table. Like first this is same ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, but after ones next you will get tens, hundredths, th. Okay, next thousands, like that it continues. You have to see the values 19.4, 0.3, 10.6 and 205.9. So these are small numbers, so we can fill in this place value table. Clear? Yes. Okay, the next question, that is third one. See, write each of the following as decimals. So first one, 7 tenths and 2 tenths and 9 tenths, and see 14.6. The fourth one, 102 ones, and last one 600.8. So now we have to write each of the following as decimal. So it is given like 7 tenths. 7 tenths. So that means first one, 7 into 1 by 10. So 7 tenths, 7 tenths means that is 7 by 10. 7 tenths. 7 tenths means 7 by 10. So 7 by 10, that value is 0.7. In the denominator is having 1 0. So after decimal point we will get a 1 digit. So 7 by 10 is a 0.7. Okay. So second one, understood no? 7 tenths. Tenths means 1 by 10. Tenths after decimal, after ones next tenths. So 7 tenths. Next B question, 2 tenths and 9 tenths. 2 tenths means 2 into 10. 2 into 10. 2 tenths and plus, okay, and plus 9 tenths. 9 tenths means 9 into 1 by 10. Okay, 9 tenths, and understood the difference? This is tenths and this is a tenths. 1 by 10 and 10 is 1 into 10. So like that 2 tenths they said, 2 into 10 plus 9 tenths, 1 by 10. So now 2 into 10, that is 20, plus 9 into 1 9, 9 by 10. So 20 plus 9 by 10 can be written as 0.9. So the value of 20 plus 0.9 is 20.9. 20.9. So this is the second one. Understood? So third one is 14.6. 14.6. So 14.6. This how to write in decimal? 14. Here you must write point next 14.6. D, 102 ones, 100 and 2 ones. 100, how will write? 1 into 100 plus 2 ones. 2 ones means 2 into 1. 2 into 1. So 1 into 100, that is 100. 2 into 1, 2. 100 plus 2, that is 102. Understood? So now this is given in words, you must write in decimal point. 100, 1 into 100 and 2 ones, 2 into 1. Okay. Similarly, last one, 600.8. 600, correct? 600.8. So it is given direct. So we can write 600.8. So this is writing given words in a decimal. Okay, decimal point. Yes. Thank you.